It's been my constant companion for the past month or so. Well, the day has finally come where I try one of the vegan cheeses that I have fermented myself and put my own mold and the own bacteria in it. If you guys are looking for those videos, you can check out my cheese kit video and also the recipe for this Camembert and how I made it. I talk a little bit about the process as well as just everything, how to make it. This cheese is at least, let's see, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. This cheese is at least like 4 weeks old. I think I let it go just a little bit past. So even now does not smell like anything. That is in contrast to the blue cheese that I've also made, which I cannot say the same thing for. It doesn't have any bad smells to it. When I cut into the cheese, I was expecting it to be harder, although I guess Camembert is not a hard cheese. I was expecting it to be harder, so when I cut into it, the inside is still quite soft. The inside is very soft, kind of like it's filled up with ground up cashews, so it was like a very kind of creamy, almost tofu texture. But what was interesting was this outside skin, this outside shell, has kind of like maybe like a gelatinous texture to it, consistency to it. So when you cut it, you could kind of feel like you were cutting through something that was harder, maybe like a little bit more rubbery. And then as soon as you got through that layer, it was like a very soft farm cheese. So the mold that was in here was the Penicillium candidum. The sides have more of that white, you guys can see, the sides have more of that white mold to it versus the top. I wasn't able to get as much on top. So let's do it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Crap, I did not do a bad job. Okay, this is like literally my first bite. How does it? I kind of forgot. I don't even think I put that much salt into this, but there is definitely a salty flavor to this. I'm just getting like a little bit of like a moldy taste. It's not like a moldy taste, but it's, yeah, kind of a moldy taste. Okay, I thought I was only gonna do one taste, but I'm actually gonna taste this again, but without the cracker. I hope I don't get sick. Okay. I'm trying not to get the rind because I think that's probably the part that's gonna taste weird. Texture-wise is very smooth. It is like pureed cashews. It's very smooth. Salty than it is tangy, but there's this deep flavor in the back that is mature. I say, if you guys have ever had cheese before, the difference between like maybe like a buffalo mozzarella and just like maybe like that's it. It's a smoked flavor. So kind of like the difference between like a smoked buffalo mozzarella and like a mozzarella. Yeah, smoked. That is what it is. So I'm actually gonna try it one more time. Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually surprised. I don't hate it. I thought it was gonna be really gross. If you don't have the rind, then I feel like you don't get that moldy flavor that much. Although now I've eaten a couple bites, so it's maybe my tongue is just getting used to it. But I like it more than I thought. I mean, I really like it. I think if I didn't make it and somebody gave this to me in a restaurant and was like, oh yeah, like we, you know, the cheese is house made and it's actually like fermented, I think I'd be like, oh, this is really delicious. Like it has a nice kind of like a robust flavor to it that is different from just, you know, like nutritional yeast or something. So I think I would be mighty impressed if I didn't know how to make it. But the fact that I just saw it in every process and I saw the mold grow around it, I think I'm a little bit more squeamish. But I like it. It's actually, it's very savory in flavor. It's more salty, just a little bit of tang. And then again, it kind of tastes like just like a touch of smokiness, like that kind of depth and maturity. Yeah. So, yeah, I don't really know how long this keeps once you cut into it. But yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna just wrap it up right now. I'm not but I think probably I will use the rest of this cheese in like cooked preparations, maybe do a little mac and cheese, do a little pizza, I don't know, something more cooked. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this review of my first Camembert cheese ever. If you have any questions, or if you guys are making it and you ever have any questions, definitely just let me know, type it down below, because I think I could answer it really well after spending a month with this guy. So yeah, I will see you guys all again soon, okay?